How to fix Google Play gift card, more info needed error. Hey guys, this is Lucy and let's get to the video. If you have came across a problem like this, first, as you can see here under the line, there is something like we need more info to redeem your gift card. Send us detail. So you need to click here and send us detail in order to know what you're missing on. So they will send you what you're missing and you have to send them the details that they ask for. So if this method didn't help, you need to make sure that you have a proper connection to the internet and make sure that the code is correct and check if there are any software updates. Download and install your device updates if there are any. And after that, reboot your phone and try again. And hopefully this time Google Play won't show this error again. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.